How to get custom alarm sound on iPhone? Well, to get a custom alarm sound on your iPhone, you can either pick a song from your music library or you can use the GarageBand app. So if you have, head into your Play Store or App Store and search in the GarageBand app here. So you can see GarageBand. You'll have to install this. So what you can do is you can use this app. Now option 1 is to use a song from your library, right? So you can open up the clock app. Once you open up the clock app, what you can do is here, you can head into alarms option. Then what you can do on the alarm is tap plus icon to create a new alarm or tap on existing one to edit it. Then tap on sound. And now under sound, what you can do is, if you have any purchased tones, you can download it. You can see songs option, tap on pick a song and then pick a song from your library as well. So here it's simple. You can also use a GarageBand. You can open up GarageBand and select the audio recorder under the tracks tab. Then tap the tracks icon. It looks like a brick wall in the top left. Now I'm having some errors here with connection with installing this. As you can see, it's taking some time. You're going to tap the loop icon in the top right and select files to browse and drag your file into the timeline. Then trim the clip to under 30 seconds and tap the down arrow in the top left and select My Songs to save this project. So open up GarageBand here. Once you open up GarageBand, it should look somewhat like this. You're gonna proceed to, so let me show you here. You're gonna tap on continue, allow, and you can see here, you can see live loops option. So you can tap on new, allow the microphone option, and you can see plus icon here, tap on plus, and you can see instruments and mini search option. What you want to do is you want to add in your music here, so you can head over and either download it or you can head into files and get it. So tap on this icon here and then from your files you can add it here and then trim it to less than 30 seconds and then you can proceed to save it. And it's simple, and then you can set it, and once you have saved it you can set it to your alarm and ringtone as well. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.